Did you hear about Molly Mahoney, the business coach who made $5,000 in just 3 days selling a tiny AI app? Not a course, not coaching, but a simple tool that took her less than an hour to build using Base 44. Now, this isn't clickbait. I'm going to show you exactly what she did and how you can do the same thing, even if you've never written a line of code in your life. This is the activation app strategy. It's a reverse funnel where people pay you to become a lead. I'm going to break down the real case study of Molly and her Sora Spark app, and then I'll show you how to easily build your own profitable version using the no-code power of Base 44. I'm sharing her complete process so you can replicate these results. By the way, right now, you can get free access to Base 44 using my special partner link below this video. That way you can follow along with the steps she took to do this strategy. The minute Molly saw the buzz about Sora 2, which is the new advanced video and audio generation model from OpenAI, she knew people were going to be searching for it like crazy. Now, instead of getting lost in the tech or spending hours testing it herself, she focused on where she could add the most value, helping creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs to use this new tool to make amazing video content. That shift in perspective from how do I use this to how can I help others use this was key. Molly wanted to make sure she knew what she was talking about, so she used a couple of AI platforms to dig in. She asked ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude to each do research on Sora 2 separately. Then she took all three research reports and fed them back into Claude to analyze and merge everything into one big Sora 2 research paper. It was like her own personal team of research assistants. Once she had the research, Molly used another AI prompt to brainstorm potential app ideas based on what Sora 2 can do. She landed on a customizable prompt library. So Claude helped her outline a full plan of how to create the app. But here's the funny part. Claude told her it would take 4 weeks to create this app, and Molly said, nope, I'm doing this in a day. The Claude prompt, which she had, gave her a bunch of complex development plans, but she knew she wanted a light vibe coder approach. As she dug through the pages from Claude, she found there were a really powerful set of 100 prompts in the middle of the full app plan. Looking for the gold and being able to let go of what she didn't need has been super helpful when doing these type of no-code apps. Claude had created all of these awesome fill-in-the-blank templates, and Molly took those and brought them back into another custom prompt inside of ChatGPT. That GPT helped her turn the templates into one clean source prompt that could generate the video prompt library web app automatically. Then she used Base 44 to actually build the app super fast. By the end of the day, she had a working app that lets users fill in a few variables and instantly generate AI video prompts. One of Molly's favorite things to do is sell it first. She didn't wait until it was done to start selling. Before she even built the app, she made a post on one of her social media accounts that said something like, if I were to create an app that helps you get the most out of Sora 2, would you want it? That post blew up with over 400 comments. People were curious, they were excited, and ready to buy before the product even existed. Once the app was ready, she put together a quick sales page. The offer was pay what it's worth. With a minimum of $27 and a recommended price of $97, and it worked. She had several people happily pay $97, and tons grabbed the order bumps, which ranged from $29 to $297. In just a few days, Molly achieved over 130 sales, over $5,000 in revenue, and tons of new, excited buyers ready to go deeper. So here's what makes Molly's approach so brilliant, and why Base 44 is the perfect platform to replicate her success. Most people think building an app requires months of development and technical expertise, but Molly proved that wrong by focusing on the core value proposition, turning useful prompts into a simple, interactive tool that people will pay for. The key insight is that people don't want to manage complex prompt libraries themselves. They want to input their specific information and get customized results instantly. That's exactly what Molly's Sora Spark app did. Users entered their project details, target audience, and goals, then received personalized video prompts ready to use with Sora 2. Base 44 makes this transformation incredibly straightforward. The platform handles all the technical complexity, database management, user authentication, payment processing, and hosting, while you focus on the value you're providing. You don't need to worry about the server configurations, security protocols, or integration headaches. And remember, right now, you can access Base 44 for free using my special partner link below this video so that you can start implementing this strategy today. Here's how the magic happens in Base 44. You start with a detailed prompt that describes your app concept. The AI understands natural language, so you can explain your vision just like you would to a human developer. Within minutes, Base 44 generates a working application with a clean user interface, proper data handling, and all the functionality you specified. But here's where it gets really powerful. Base 44 isn't just building static web pages. It's creating dynamic applications with real logic. Your app can collect user inputs, process them through AI models, generate personalized outputs, and even integrate with external services like email marketing platforms or CRM systems. The platform includes built-in Stripe integration, which means you can start accepting payments immediately. No need to set up a merchant account, handle PCI compliance, or worry about payment security. Base 44 manages all of that for you, so you can focus on delivering value to your customers. What's particularly impressive is how Base 44 handles the AI integration. You can connect to multiple AI models, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and create sophisticated prompt chains that deliver exactly the results your users need. The platform manages API calls, handles rate limiting, and ensures reliable performance even as your user base grows. This is where most no-code platforms fall short. They can build simple forms and basic websites, but they struggle with dynamic, AI-powered functionality that makes activation apps so valuable. Base 44 was specifically designed for this new era of AI-enhanced applications. The visual editor gives you complete control over the user experience. You can customize colors, fonts, layouts, and interactions without touching code. But if you do have technical skills, Base 44 also provides access to the underlying code so you can make advanced customizations when needed. Security is built into every Base 44 app by default. The platform includes enterprise-grade features like user authentication, data encryption, and automated security scanning. This means your activation app meets professional standards from day one, not something you have to worry about later. The analytics dashboard shows you exactly how your app is performing. You can track user behavior, conversion rates, revenue metrics in real time. This data is crucial for optimizing your app and understanding what features your audience values most. One of the biggest advantages is the speed of iteration. If you want to add new features, modify the user interface, or adjust the AI logic, you can make changes instantly. There's no deployment process, no downtime, and no technical barriers. This rapid iteration capability is what allowed Molly to refine her app based on user feedback and maximize her results. Base 44 also handles scalability automatically. Whether you have 10 users or 10,000, the platform adjusts resources dynamically to ensure consistent performance. You don't need to worry about server capacity, load balancing, or performance optimization. The community aspect is valuable too. Base 44 provides templates, documentation, and examples from other successful applications. You can learn from what's working in different industries and adapt proven strategies to your own niche. What really sets Base 44 apart is its focus on business applications rather than just personal projects. The platform includes features specifically designed for monetization, subscription management, usage tracking, customer support tools, and integration with business systems. This makes it perfect for creating activation apps that generate real revenue. Here's your step-by-step plan to replicate Molly's success with your own activation app using Base 44. Follow her proven process and adapt it to your niche. Start by identifying your trending opportunity. What's happening in your industry right now that people are buzzing about? New AI tools, policy changes, market shifts. Look for topics where attention is already flowing and figure out how to make it practical for your audience. Conduct deep research using multiple AI tools, just like Molly did. Use ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini to research your trending topics separately. Ask each one to analyze the opportunity, identify pain points, and suggest where tools people need. Then feed all three reports into Claude to create one comprehensive research document. Then brainstorm app ideas based on your research. Use ChatGPT or Claude to generate multiple app concepts that solve specific problems related to your trending topic. Look for simple, focused solutions that provide immediate value. Validate demand before building anything. Post on social media asking if people would want your proposed solution. Something like, if I created a tool that helps you achieve a specific benefit, would you be interested? Watch for engagement and comments. This is your market validation. Oh, and don't forget to grab your free access to Base 44 using my special partner link below this video. This special access offer is perfect for testing your first app idea without any upfront investment. Next, you'll want to create your source prompt by taking your validated concept and turning it into a clear, detailed description for Base 44. Basically, just describe exactly what you want: the user interface, the logic, the outputs. Be specific about how your users will interact with your tool. Then, build your minimum viable product, also known as a MVP, in Base 44 by inputting your source prompt and letting the platform create your app. Focus on core functionality first. You can always add features later based on user feedback. Finally, set up payment processing by connecting your Stripe account and implementing Molly's pay what it's worth model with a minimum price and recommended higher amount. This maximizes revenue while removing price objections. After that, all you need to do is launch to your existing audience first. Share with your email list, your social media followers, and any existing clients you have. These warm leads are most likely to buy, and they are more likely to provide valuable feedback for future iterations. Remember Molly's core insight: speed beats perfection, and these apps work as incredible lead qualifiers. Someone who pays even $27 for a tool is a much better prospect than someone who downloads a free PDF. Don't overthink this. The key is taking action. Get started with Base 44 today using the link below, and you could have your own activation app generating revenue this week. And if you'd like to see more videos on this type of strategy and this topic, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will make sure that you see more content like this in the near future. In the meantime, I will see you in the next video.